Today I'm going to teach you how to make rapadura honey. It is very simple, and you will use it a lot in your recipes. Let's start by breaking the rapadura with the help of a knife. After this process, put the rapadura in a pan. Add 1 cup of water. Let's stir it until it boils and melts. And tell me what city you are from watching this video. I am very curious to know how far our videos are getting. Here it is almost all melted already. Keep stirring until it's all melted. There you go, folks. Here it is already done. I had to add another 1 cup of water to help it soften. This is the consistency we need. Let's let this honey cool down a bit. I put it in a ketchup pot to make it easier to use. Let me tell you something. On Instagram, we also have a page filled with many delicious recipes. Search for Joy's recipe and come be part of our family too. My loves, here I have a dish with chopped banana and apple. And also oatmeal. I put oatmeal on top of the banana and apple, and I will also put our rapadura honey. You have no idea how tasty this tip is. It's an option for your breakfast, or to eat before or after the gym. Make it at home. I'm sure you'll like it a lot. I am going to pass on a message that is in Exodus 20:12. Honor your father and mother so that you may have a long life in the land which the Lord your God gives you. Of the 10 commandments, this is the first one that comes with a promise of blessing for those who keep it. Parents are not perfect, but they usually have a lot of information and wisdom to pass on to us, because they are older than we are. The responsibility of taking care of children is very great, because it will have a great influence on the rest of their lives. For this reason, our fathers deserve our honor. When we follow the guidance of parents who love God, we avoid many mistakes. Thank you for your company throughout the video. God bless you all. A kiss and until the next video. Bye.